Well, as my partner stated, our product helps people with health conditions. So you may be wondering, how does it work? Well, you're about to find out. Well, in the front, we have three panels, which can display various information. The first panel on the left displays the user's health conditions. Second, the panel on the right upper corner displays scheduled checkups or appointments. The, the lower right panels display personal information of the user. On the back, we have a battery pack which holds the batteries that can be charged by solar power. And we have a Velcro strap to hold the product around the user's wrist. Our product alerts you when you're going to have a seizure by using electrodes. First, the electrodes will be implemented into your brain via surgery, which is then connected to the product. The electrodes will monitor your electric pulses in your brain, and once it detects an abnormal one, it will then alert you that you are going into seizure, and it will advise you to take your medicine.
I'll be explaining about the problem statement. The problem statement is, with older people being more prone to health-threatening diseases, we should implement an easy way for them to be able to take care of themselves and to remind them of their health conditions. So this tool is suitable for elder people and also people with dementia to always remind them to take their medications and also take them at the right timing that they should take it.
The aim of this product is to help those who has health problems or alert those with seizures and diabetes, especially the elderly or senior citizens.
Next, I would like to share about the product function. Firstly, Health Monitor can help to notify medical service when there is a medical crisis. At the same time, it can alert users when they are about to experience seizures. Besides that, it reminds elderly people and people with dementia to take medication. It can also schedule checkups with clinics or hospitals and remind users of self-checkups. Next, let me tell you about the miscellaneous function. It is powered by batteries that can be charged using solar energy. It also lists all diseases the user has. Not only it displays the personal info of the user, but it also has emergency contact that user has.
How is this invention cost effective? It is cost effective by using batteries that can charge through solar power. Furthermore, it can be implemented into a hospital setting to predict when a patient is going into a seizure or so forth. With this being said, the patients can receive their treatments as fast as possible.
I'll be explaining about the commercialization potential. What potential do our product have if we want to sell it? We can let more people to be aware of their health and the importance to have a healthy body, so they will control their diet to have a better life. As you know, these days kids and teenagers rarely take care of their health as they always eat chips, which is high in MSG. And also don't forget candies. With this tool, they can remind them to eat less candy or unhealthy food for a better diet. So, why should we sell our product to other people? Nowadays, there are very high risks that people will be having high blood pressure and health problems, especially for the young age and elderly. We are selling this health monitor to other people to let them monitor their pulse rate, blood pressure. You need to go to the doctor to check whether you do or do not have any diseases. Unfortunately, not all families could afford monthly checkups. Now, you don't have to worry. This tool can help you detect various diseases, which is either bad or good. Last but not least, for the commercialization potential, we can increase demand. The number of deaths from various diseases is increasing, but people are not aware of it. People are in great need of an invention that can detect physical conditions to help medical staff and themselves to take correct measures, and also detect early and take preventive measures. Lastly, it is also environmental protection. It uses solar panels to charge the battery during the day, and the battery maintains the daily power at night. So you can use this device anywhere at any time, and also it is also environmental friendly.
I'll be explaining the objectives for this project. As a starter, we can identify the changes of a risk for a person. We can identify and inform the patient if their risk increases. Other than that, we can measure and record the patient's basic health information, such as their pulse rate, blood pressure, temperature, and so on. On the other hand, we can determine whether the patient's condition is stable or not. This can be done as we are able to identify his or her condition quickly if there is any deterioration. Lastly, this enables the patient to check and track his or her health status and the situation of which the patient is in, wherever, whenever. They are still able to check it even if they are outstation or working outside.